Hey guys, how are you? Abel Tejeda, the mortgage guy here, and today I have a special guest, Tim Baudes, my mortgage guru and reverse mortgage specialist. Tim, I have some questions for you because I especially now that inflation's through the roof and people are trying to refinance, especially if you're a senior over 62. A lot of people have a lot of misconceptions about reverse mortgages, and I have some questions for you. Number one, what if you get a reverse mortgage? What happens to the title of your home?
The title of the property stays in your name. You can have it any way you want. You can even have it inside a trust. They actually prefer to be inside a trust, and it's the only one that you actually fund inside a trust. So if you have one, you can keep it exactly the way you want it.
Perfect. And why do people have such a bad connotation with reverse mortgages? Is it the way it was before? Are they new? Are they different? What's the deal?
Definitely, that's a really good question. Yeah, there used to be a version, and this was very popular during the mortgage implosion time. Private investors, they would take the title of your home, they would share in future equity, the growth. So that's what really brought in a lot of negativity about it. High fees, super high cost for those loans. So those are what brought in a lot of negativity. The loan is now insured and guaranteed by HUD, and it is an FHA loan. It is through the Federal Housing Administration.
Okay, so you brought up fees. That's another thing I keep hearing. A lot of people ask me, hey, how much are they? Because a lot of people think that the cost is through the roof.
They used to be. There were some of the private stuff that were, but these are very standard fees, title, escrow, third-party stuff. They do have a mortgage insurance premium, just like a forward FHA. So the fees are pretty much standard as you would be looking at a traditional FHA loan.
So what? Let's say a couple, husband and wife or spouses, they get into a reverse mortgage. One of them passes. What happens?
The surviving spouse, it can continue on exactly the way it is. They can stay in the property, can make payment, not make payment. They can continue on exactly the way that it is. If both were to pass or anything like that, the heirs or whoever's going to take over the property, they have 12 months to either refinance the loan into their name, they can sell the property, they keep the equity difference, or they have a final option where they actually have the ability to write a check. They could send a check in and pay the loan off in full.
So the bank doesn't get it, right? The bank or the government?
No, absolutely not. They're in full control of it. Their trust goes to whoever they want, and the kids and the heirs will be able to control the property.
And another thing I keep hearing is that a reverse mortgage is not one loan. There are different variances, right? Adjustables, fixed adjustables, and I guess so that we don't get more into it and make this 10-minute video. If you guys have any questions, make sure to reply. Send me an email, give me a phone call, either myself or actually in this case, when it's a reverse mortgage, might as well have a specialist answer your question, especially since there are so many ins and outs when it comes to reverse mortgage. So if you have any questions, my phone number is 619-948-2996, and I'll put you in contact with Tim Baudes, our reverse mortgage specialist.
Yep, absolutely.